Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to draw the 10-floor apartment building by using AutoCAD software. So I was already done my modeling process for that respected 10-floor apartment building. So initially I will show you the plan for that respected house so that you can easily understand the concept. So this is my floor plan which is related to the 10-story apartment structure. So I was already modeled this respected structure model. So this is my floor plan and this is my beam layout and this is my column layout for this respected apartment. So in this video I will explain you how to make this respected floor plan which is related to the 10 floors, so which is having the same dimensions for the respected remaining stories as compared to your respected first story. Okay, so this is my complete floor plan. So initially I will explain you one particular section, so after that I will explain you remaining section. So this is my first portion for the first story. So it will be consisting of your respected double bedroom, kids room and kitchen and living hall for this respected section. So this is the dressing and this is the toilet, this is the toilet, this is the toilet and this is the puja room for this respected house. So this is the two balconies which is provided for the bedroom section here. This is the second portion and this is the third portion. So in this video I will explain you how to draw this respected T-shape irregular apartment building floor plan by using AutoCAD software. So for that initially we need to click on the AutoCAD software. The software will be open like this. So initially we need to select the command which is related to the units command, UN enter option. So it will select your respected units as per your considerations. So here I am taking the engineering and this is feet. So click on OK option. So after that we have to click on OK. Now we have to select the dimensions command, D enter. So click on this respected modify option here. Select this modify. Again we will select the primary units case. Select it as architecture, otherwise you can select it as engineering, and we have to select the text height. Let us consider it as, just I am taking it as 9 inches. Click on OK option. So after that we have to close this respective option. So for this respected floor plan, initially I am considering this respected horizontal distance will be comes under your respected axis of 38 feet. Again I am considering vertical distance will be consisting of 45 feet. So initially we need to draw the line, L enter, select the starting point here. So let us consider, click on the F8 option. So initially we need to draw the 38 feet horizontal line, 0 inches, click on enter option. So again in the same process we need to draw the vertical line for this respected section. So here I am selecting L enter. Let us consider the starting point here. So here I am taking this vertical distance will be comes under your respected distance of 45 feet 0 inches. So click on enter option, Z enter option. So now we can see the line will be drawn here like this. So click on L enter option again. Again I am selecting this which is consisting of 45 feet 0 inches. Again I am closing this respected object. So after that we have to move this object, M enter. Select all this respected object, click on enter option. Select the base point here, just I am selecting here. Click on F8 option. So now I am moving this respected object to some distance in vertical position. Okay, let us consider this respected distance of this section like this. Okay, so now we can see this is my rectangular box which is drawn with the help of the line command which is consisting of the dimensions of 45 feet cross 38 feet. So for that we have to go to this respected option. So initially I will draw the all the walls for this. So click on offset option, 9 inches walls. Let us consider, select this wall like this. Again select this respected wall. Again I am selecting this respected wall here like this. Again in the same process just I am drawing the wall. So after drawing the wall we need to draw the bedroom section here like this. So click on offset command, O enter. Let us consider the distance. Just I am taking the distance is, let us take it as 14 feet 0 inches dimensions. So here I am taking the 14 feet 0 inches line. Again in the same process we have to draw the one more offset which is related to the 14 feet 0 inches. So now in the same process we need to draw the internal walls for the bedroom sections. Offset enter, 5 inches let us consider. So here I am drawing this respected offset for the internal section. So now in the same process we need to draw the offset for the vertical section also. So click on offset command, just I am selecting it as 18 feet 0 inches line. So let us consider this respected section, click on here. Again in the same process we need to apply the internal wall section for this respected object here like this. So let us consider. So after that we have to draw the one more section room in the front facing direction here. So for that go to your respected offset command. Let us consider, O enter. Let us take it as, just I am considering it as 12 feet 0 inches. So here I am taking this respected distance is 12 feet 0 inches. Click on offset. Again we have to draw the 5 feet command. So now I am drawing this respected object. So after drawing all these respected lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines, we need to remove all unnecessary lines for this respected object. So here I am removing all my respected unwanted lines. So now after removing all these respected positions, we need to draw the puja room here, and we have to draw the toilet section, dressing room section, etc. here. So for that, again we have to come to this respect option. Let us consider the offset. Just I am taking it as 4 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So here I am giving the offset for this. Again in the same process, we have to draw one more offset section. Just I am taking it as 5 feet 0 inches. Let us take. So in the same process, we have to draw the walls here, internal walls, which is related to the 5 inches section. So here I am drawing this respected walls here. So after that, we have to remove the excess of the portions here like this. Now we have to remove all these respected positions. Initially we need to apply the extensions for these respected lines. Let us consider. So we have to trim these respected portions like this. Again we have to remove this respected line, horizontal line. So now you can see the puja room is drawn here like this. So in the same process we have to draw the washroom sections here. So let us consider it as offset of 6 feet 0 inches. So here I am considering this respected offset like this. Again in the same process we need to apply the offset for the right hand side section. So again we have to take the internal lines, which is consisting of 5 inches offset like this. Okay, so now we have to divide these respected rooms. So for that, initially we need to measure the distance in vertical position. So let us consider the starting point. Again we have to consider starting point. So this is the consisting of 12 feet 8 inches. Now we have to apply the offset for this respected vertical section, which is comes under your respected distance of 12 feet 8 inches divided by 2. So let us take it as 6 feet. So click on offset 6 feet 0 inches. So here I am considering this respected object is 6 feet. Click on offset 5 inches. Let us consider this is the 5 inches internal wall. In the same process we need to apply the offset for this respected vertical line also. So after that we have to remove all the excess of the lines. Now you can see all the rooms are drawn here like this. So after drawing the rooms, initially we need to draw the balcony for this respected portion also. So for that, initially I am considering the line. Let us consider. So this respected line, just I am taking it as let us consider it as 3 feet 0 inches. So here I am taking, again I am taking offset, which is consisting of 5 inches wall. Let us consider this respected section will be consisting of, again I am considering the line command, L enter. So let us take this respected distance is 5 feet 0 inches. So here I am considering this respected closed line, TR double enter. Now we have to trim this respected excess of the line. Again we have to apply the offset, which is related to the 5 inches. So here I am taking this respected object like this. Again in the same process we have to apply the extension of the line. Again we have to apply the offset, which is related to 5 inches wall here. So for the utilities section. So now we have to extend this respected lines like this in vertical position. Now we have to trim the excess of the portion here. TR double enter. So trim the vertical line, horizontal line. Again in the same process we have to trim. So we have to copy this respected balcony section for the left hand side section also, initially after drawing this balcony section. So for that, initially we need to click on copy command, CO enter, select this lines, all these respected lines which is related to the balcony purpose. So here I am selecting these respected lines. Let us consider vertical lines for the balcony section. So here I am taking this, click on enter option, select the base point here. Again we have to attach this respected base point here like this. Now we can see the balcony section is drawn here like this for the left hand side portion. So after drawing all these respected walls, so we need to draw the doors for this portion. So it will be consisting of the main door here, and kids door here, and toilet door here, toilet door here. So for that, initially we need to apply the opening. So let us consider the line command. So here I am selecting this. Again we have to apply the line command, one more line command. Let us take. So in the same process we need to draw the all the doors for this respected floor plan as per the plan considerations. So now you can see all the doors are drawn for this respected section. This is the main door, this is the drawing room board, this is the kitchen door, this is the washroom, this is the dressing, this is the master bedroom door, and this is the balcony door, and this is the balcony door, this is the children bedroom door, this is the puja room door. So after drawing all these respected objects, initially we need to measure the distances for each and individual room. So for that we have to go to measurement option, select this respected measurement. So we have to select the starting point, we have to select the ending point. It will be comes under your respected distance of 13 feet 7 inches. In the same process we need to measure the vertical distance, which is comes under your respected distance of 18 feet. So now we have to click on the text command T, enter. So initially we need to select the starting point here, again we have to select the second point here. So we have to write the text here as bedroom. Let us consider here as bed room, so which is having the distance is 13 feet 7 inches in horizontal distance. Vertical distance will be consisting of 18 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So initially we need to change this respected distance as per your considerations. So here I am taking 1 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. Now we have to select the horizontal distance and vertical distance. We have to move this respected text to the center position like this. So after this, in the same process we need to draw the all the dimensions for the remaining rooms. So after drawing all this respective object, we need to draw the window section. So you can draw the window section as per your considerations. Just I am skipping that respected procedure. So why? Because that is not an important part of this respected tutorial. So you can draw the window section at the kitchen portion and the kids room portion, and you can draw the bedroom section and bedroom section, so and puja room section, and ventilation part we can draw as per your considerations. Okay. So after drawing everything, so initially we need to make the balcony for this respected section. So this respected balcony will be consisting of your respected 10 feet. So the staircases will be 6 feet and this left portion will be 6 feet. So for that, initially we need to draw the offset command. O, enter. So let us consider the offset, which is consisting of respected distance of, here I am taking it as 11 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So here I am taking the offset, which is comes under the distance of 11 feet 0 inches in horizontal position. Extend this respected lines, EX, double enter. So now we can extend this respected line, otherwise you can draw with the help of the line command also. So after drawing this respected object, so initially we need to draw the internal section for the this respected section which is related to the staircases. So for that we have to draw the horizontal line here. So initially I am drawing balcony section for the vertical portion. So for that, just I am taking this line, click on F8 option, just I am drawing this respected line. So click on offset here. Let us consider it as 11 feet 0 inches in horizontal position. So here I am drawing this. So here we have to trim the excess of the portion in horizontal position and vertical position here like this. Now we can see all the objects are removed here like this for this respected balcony section. So after that we have to draw the copy this respected floor plan as per your considerations. So for that, initially I am selecting all these respected objects. So for that, just I am drawing the line here. So here I am drawing the line in horizontal position. Again I am drawing one more line section in this respected section. So again in the same process, just I am drawing one more line section in this. So again I am drawing one more line section in this respected portion. So after that, initially we need to create the copies for this respected remaining portion. So why? Because this respected upper section will be mirror of this respected objects in opposite direction. So for that, initially I will rotate this respected object. So for that, select the copy. So click on copy option. So select all this respected object. Let us consider. Click on OK. So here I am selecting this respected base point. So click on this respected object. So after that, we have to rotate this respected object. RO, enter. So initially I am selecting this all this object. Let us consider. Click on this point. Select this point. Again I am rotating this respected object to some angle of let us consider it as 90. So click on 90 object. Let us consider. Now we can see the object of your respected 2 BHK floor was rotated here like this. So after that we have to move this M, enter. Select all this respected object. Let us consider. Click on enter option. So here I am selecting this base point like this. So click on F8 option. So here we have to attach this respected base point to this position. Now you can see the floor is drawn on the left hand side section. So for drawing the floor on the right hand side section, initially we need to draw the lines in between this respected object. We need to measure the distance, which is comes under your respected distance of 11 feet. Initially I will apply the offset, which is related to 5 feet 6 inches center point for this section. So here I am selecting this. Again I am selecting the line like this. So after that we have to draw the mirror command, MI, enter. So initially we need to select all the objects on the left hand side section like this, left hand side portion for this. So click on enter option. So firstly select the first object, first line. Again we have to select the F8 option, select the second line, click on enter option. Now we can see the left hand side portion and right hand side portion is drawn for this apartment section here like this. Okay, so after that in the same process we need to extend these lines. L enter option, select the starting point here, extend this respective line. Let us consider the extensions of this respective line in horizontal section. So trim the excess of the portions of the line, so in the horizontal position as well as your vertical positions of this respected object. So now we have to draw the line command, L enter, select this, we have to draw here, extend this respected line. Let us consider, so here I am extending this respected line, TR double enter, let us consider, trim this line. Again we have to remove this respected vertical line. So now in the same process we need to draw the line here like this. Now we can see I am drawing here like this. So TR double enter, let us consider, trim this respected portion. Now we can see the balcony portion is drawn here like this. So after that we have to draw the staircases as well as the lift portion. So this is the staircases and this is the lift portion. So in the same process we need to draw the lift portion as well as your respective staircases for the remaining sections of the building. Okay, so now we can see all the floor plan is drawn here like this. Now we have to text the balcony for this respected portion. So here I am considering this balcony. Let us consider 11 feet 0 inches balcony section. So here I am taking this respected distance is 2 feet 0 inches. Let us consider, click on this respected point, click on M enter option, move this object here like this. Okay, now we have to rotate this respected object in order to copy the balcony section. So for that initially we need to apply the copy, select this, copy here. Again we have to rotate this object, select this, enter, base point, let us take it as 90. Again we have to move, M enter, select here, select this respected position of the point. Now we can see, so now you can see balcony is done here like this. So this is the process, complete process of how to draw the simple floor plan which is related to the simple apartment building by using AutoCAD software. So in my upcoming video I will explain you how to draw the columns for this respected floor plan with column orientation. So that is one of the most important topic in my AutoCAD tutorial. So why? Because most of the people are asking me to draw the column orientation plan. So in my upcoming video I will explain you that respected concept. So if you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.